So I drink a lot of almond milk, so I was super excited to try this nut maker machine. It actually has 8 different things it can do. It can also do like milkshakes. You can make juices in it. You can do like different soy milk, oat milk. It can make like a rice paste and different things. It also has like a cleaner too, so it will self clean, which I absolutely love. If you take the lid off, if I can show you on the inside is stainless steel. And so what you do is you would just put, like I put my almonds in, and then you can use the cup to measure if you want it like thicker or thinner milk, and then whatever other ingredients that you want. That's one of the things I really liked about it is if I don't want to put a lot of extra ingredients in it, I can just put in it exactly what I want with nothing artificial or anything, because I just want a clean milk. And then it has over here the fill line. I don't know if you can see it, but you just fill it up with water, and all you do is put your lid on, and then you would hit start. If for some reason you wanted to put it in like the night before, you could do that. And then it has like a delay button. And you can delay it for like, 2 hours, 4 hours, up to 12 hours, whatever you want to set it for. And then that way in the morning it would be fresh and ready to go. It also comes with these cleaning tools. So you can just take and rinse it out with on the inside, cleaning around the blade area. Like I said, if you get it cleaned out and you still want to clean it, you just hit the clean button, add some water, and then it will sterilize it. But it's just been nice to know that when I make mine, it's just been healthier than what I like. I'm putting in my own ingredients, so I'm liking it so far. I haven't tried all of the features on it, but I just thought if you've been thinking about getting one, this is a brand I just really like it. So I would give it a 10 out of 10 and hope this helps you decide.